वेलकम टू noiseonlinetutor.com। स्टूडेंट, आशा रखता हूँ कि आप लोगों ने अभी तक मेरा पॉलिनोमियल के ऊपर जो 4 वीडियो मैंने अपलोड किया है उसको देखे होंगे। अगर नहीं देखे तो उसको देखने के बाद ही इस वीडियो को देखिए। आगे भी हम बहुत सारा पॉलिनोमियल का डिफाइंड लेवल का मैथमेटिक्स करके दिखाएंगे। अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है तो इसको देखने के बाद आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप नंबर के थ्रू मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं और मेरा ईमेल आईडी के थ्रू भी मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। मैं आपका सभी डाउट जरूर क्लियर करेगा। ओके, तो आज देखते हैं आज का मैथमेटिक्स। Here second mathematics is, if alpha and beta are zeros of function x equal to x square plus x minus 2, then find 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta. First thing is, what is the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta as per the principle of polynomial? I have to calculate that one. Okay, as alpha beta are zeros of function x, so alpha plus beta equal to minus coefficient of x, that means 1, by coefficient of x, that means again 1, is equal to minus 1, and alpha beta equal to constant part, that means minus 2, by coefficient of x square, that is equal to 1, it become minus 2. Okay, here I got alpha plus beta and alpha beta, and now I have to calculate 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta. This is equal to alpha beta minus alpha. This nothing but minus of alpha minus beta by alpha beta. But here I have only alpha plus beta. I have to get alpha minus beta first. We know we have alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta according to algebraic identities, because a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Now I have value of alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? This is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 4 into alpha beta. What is the value of alpha beta? Equal to minus 2 equal to 1 minus minus plus 4 into 2 8. This is equal to 9. So alpha minus beta equal to plus minus 3. That means I have two value of alpha minus beta, either plus 3 or minus 3. When alpha minus beta equal to plus 3, 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta become minus of alpha minus beta by alpha beta. This is equal to minus of, what is the value of my alpha minus beta? Plus 3. Alpha beta is minus 2. That means equal 3 by 2. This is one part. Okay, and when alpha minus beta equal to minus 3, then 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta become minus of minus 3 by minus 2 equal to plus 3 by 2. Plus 3 by minus 2, that is minus 3 by 2. So what is the value of 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta is equal to plus minus 3 by 2. This is the answer. Okay, now the next mathematics is, that means serial number 8. Okay, serial number 8. Serial number 8. Here the question is, if sum of the zeros of the quadratic polymer, if sum of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial f of function of t equal to kt square plus 2t plus 3k is equal to their product is equal to their product, then find k. This type of calculation is normally very common. Here what is written as zeros of sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Let alpha beta are the zeros of function of t. Then what is the value of alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus of coefficient of t, that means 2, by coefficient of t square, that means k, equal to minus 2 by k. And alpha beta equal to how much? Constant part, that means 3k, by coefficient of t square, that is k, equal to 3. As according to question, alpha plus beta equal to alpha beta, because here it is written as is equal to their product. Okay, so I could write as 2 by minus 2 by k equal to 3. So k equal to minus 2 by 3. This is the answer. Okay, I will show you next mathematics. What is the next mathematics? Mathematics number 9. Here question is, if the square difference of the zeros, if the square difference of zeros of fx equal to x square plus px plus 45 is 144, then find p. How we could calculate this type of mathematics? First, let alpha beta are the zeros. Then what is the value of alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, that is equal to minus p. And alpha beta equal to क्या है? Alpha beta means what? Alpha beta means constant part by coefficient of x square, that is equal to 45. Now according to question, the square difference, that means alpha square minus beta square equal to 144. So I could write it as alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta is equal to 144. Right. Now I have the value of alpha plus beta, but I does not have the value of alpha minus beta. Now alpha minus beta whole square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. It is already shown in earlier mathematics. Now this is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus p, that means minus p whole square minus 4 alpha beta means 4 into 45, that means p square minus 180. That is the value of alpha minus beta whole square. Then alpha minus beta equal to plus minus root over p square minus 180. So I could write it here as directly. I could write this as alpha minus alpha plus alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta. It was correct. Alpha plus beta is equal to how much? Minus p, and alpha beta is equal to plus minus root over p square minus 180 equal to 144. Okay. Sorry, here there is a problem. Here it is written as the square difference of zeros. That means this should be like square difference. That means this one equal to 144. Okay, then I have to write like this. This is equal to, see, I could write alpha minus beta whole square. What is the value of alpha minus beta? That means this is equal to root over p square minus 180 whole square. That is equal to p square minus 180 equal to 144. This become p square equal to 324. So p is equal to plus minus 18. So this will be the answer. Okay, so here question was asked is square difference of zeros. Okay, that means alpha minus beta whole square equal to 144. Okay, right स्टूडेंट, आशा रखता हूँ कि आप लोगों को ये मैथमेटिक्स समझ में आया होगा। अगर कुछ भी डाउट है तो मुझे मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर और स्क्रीन में दिया गया मेरा ईमेल आईडी के थ्रू मुझे कांटेक्ट करके अपना डाउट क्लियर कर सकते हैं। अगर आपका वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो जरूर इसको लाइक कीजिए और आगे का वीडियो देखने के लिए मुझे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने से आपको आगे का बहुत सारा जो पॉलिनोमियल के ऊपर में डिफाइंड लेवल का मैथमेटिक्स करेगा उसका देखने के लिए मौका मिलेगा। और ऑनलाइन कोचिंग के लिए आप मेरा वेबसाइट www.noesisonlinetutor.com में लॉगिन करके हमसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं और ईमेल आईडी और व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू भी हमसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू।